Hey, it's Yaroslav, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to save money improving your cold email deliverability. It's a little trick to set up your outreach domains to forward to your main domain while making sure that Google and Microsoft won't detect the connection. We'll do this by using a free Cloudflare account, and I will walk you through the process. Let's say you have amazing.com as your primary domain and something like getamazing.com and goamazing.com as your secondary domains. With DNS forwarding, all of these domains will share the same IP address.
Oh, no.
Therefore, Google and Microsoft can easily detect the connection between your domains. And if any of the domains is flagged, all of your domains get screwed. To fix this, we're gonna use Cloudflare instead. With Cloudflare, every domain will have its own IP address from the pool of Cloudflare IP addresses. These IP addresses are shared with millions of other reputable sites, making it hard to link your secondary domains to a main one. All requests to these addresses are proxied by Cloudflare and redirected to your main domain, effectively hiding your real IP address. So Google and Microsoft will not be able to track the connection between them, and all requests to a primary domain will be also proxied, which effectively hides your real IP address from anyone. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this for one of my clients, Cubed. It's a real estate development platform. So let's go to Cloudflare, then you have to select your domain. And first we need to make sure that we have a proxied A record. We don't have here any records except the CNAME, but if you have a record, please delete it. And then we will click Add Record. We will use root for name, and in the IP address we will put this IP address. Make sure that it's proxied and click Save. Now we need to set up a redirect rule to forward to your main domain. We have to go to Rules and then Redirect Rules, and then click on Create Rule. Rule name, let's write something like redirect to cube.homes. As you can see, it's a domain cubedmail.homes, it's a secondary domain, and we will make sure it's redirected to our main domain, which is cubed.homes. So make sure it's a wildcard pattern. In the request URL, we will put our domain, which is cubedmail.homes /* to basically capture all the requests to this secondary domain. And then, as target URL, we will put our main domain, which is cube.homes, and we have to add this little puppy. Make sure that the status code is 301 and click Deploy. Once it's done, we can check our domain. Let's go to cubedmail.homes. And as you can see, it was redirected to cube.homes. It's not the only way to do this, but it's one of the most effective. If you know a better way, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Yes, you could use a service like emailguard.io, but if you've got a lot of domains, Cloudflare will save you a lot of money. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.